two latest words are, first one is hunch. Hunch. What is hunch? Just see this clip.
खजाने की चाबी का एक हिस्सा है मराठों का खजाना and this is not my hunch, this is my belief.
Hunch refers to intuition. It can also refer to suspicion. I have an hunch about it means I have an intuition about it. अंतरात्मा की आवाज या मुझे डाउट है, सस्पिशन है, right? And the second word is up and up. Up and up is an idiom which is used for legitimate, honest or something which is getting better with time. जो समय के साथ अच्छा होता जाए. जैसे see this news clip. So it means that something which is getting better. So the question about Arvind Kejriwal here is, will like past time he would be getting better? Will he remain honest or he will be changing?